back to another Trendmood Box unboxing. I think this one's from a while back, to be completely honest. I have a few that I need to unbox, so we're gonna just go ahead on in and do this. So, in no particular order, what are we? Okay, everything is just kind of everywhere. But we have from Danessa Myricks Beauty, which is always good, the Groundwork Defining Neutrals palette for eyes, brows, face, and lips. Somehow I doubt lips, but okay, we'll see. We've got Buildable, Blendable, Velvety, Rich Color. Velvet Pomade. Shape and Fix Powder. Yeah, alright, let's just go on in and see what this is all about, because now I'm curious. Whoa. It's not leather, but it feels like leather. That looks kind of cool, right? Ah, that is a hella bougie looking palette. Okay. Get that out of the way. I'm trying to tell what exactly I am looking at here. Oh, I dropped the lip balm. So we have these shades, but then with these little itty bitty pans off to the sides. I'm not quite sure. It says Velvet Pomade and Shape and Fix Powder. Is one the powder and one's a pomade? I am so confused. Nothing in here looks like a pomade. They all look like powder. Anyway, the names are Sandstone, Desert, Mirage, Chiseled, Sculpted, Stone, Core, Harvest, Bark, and Tourmaline. The only ones that particularly look different are like the last two, really, because the last two, one is glittery, one is matte, and then the one next to it's like one's lighter than the big pan next to it. I'm not sure what's going on here or how I feel about it. That is something, I suppose. I'll do some research into that one, because I'm confused by it. I'm very confused by it. And again, none of those colors look like lip colors to me, so I'm like, whatever. Oh, I left that out. Whatever, it's fine. It'll live. From e.l.f. Cosmetics, we have the Liquid Poreless Putty Primer in a tube instead of the little pots. So honestly, I think I like that a lot more than in the pots, because I don't like digging my fingers into them. So yeah, now it's a silky, weightless liquid. So I'm like, this I'll probably get on with a lot better, and I could see myself probably buying more than once after I try it. So, okay. That I'm here for. What are we? By Tony Moly. I'm conflicted. I love the brand Tony Moly, but 24K Snail Hydrating Serum Mist. 92% snail secretion filtrate. 24K gold niacinamide. I'm sorry, what? What? What it does. 92.3% snail secretion filtrate. Naturally contains hyaluronic acid, glycolic acid, and antioxidants that will work to improve your skin's hydration level, texture, and hyperpigmentation. I'm having a real hard time mentally getting past snail secretions. Ew. Niacinamide strengthens the skin barrier and helps to minimize redness, and 24-karat gold reduces fine lines by stimulating cellular growth to regenerate healthy, firm skin cells. This nourishing and concentrated formula is packed with over 92% snail secretion filtrate. Why do you have to word it like that? Niacinamide and 24K gold to deliver a surge of hydration with every spritz. This potent yet gentle formula works with all skin types, brightening the complexion, evening out skin tone, and hydrating the skin all day long. Close your eyes and mist onto your face, keeping the nozzle 8 to 10 inches away. Tip, use it as a toner after cleansing or at any time throughout the day to refresh your skin. And of course, the very tough ingredient is snail secretion. So it's not even like way down the list. No, it's way up there. I'm sorry, but I am like inwardly gagging right now at that. So from Ofra, we have long-lasting liquid lipstick in, what color are we? Bel Air. I will not sing the song. Almost matches my shirt. Almost matches my hair. But it looks like there's stuff on the tube. I hope this isn't used. I am getting very weird vibes from this whole box, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. Oh, we have another one in here too that looks even iffier. And also looks like damn near the same color. In Verona. They're technically different, but not by much. Oh boy, I feel like we may have had a kind of a miss box for me. Like, I like that primer, but I could have definitely just bought the primer for a lot cheaper than this whole box was. Cali Ray Big Swell Hydrating Glassy Lip Plumper. Clean Plumping Lip Gloss. Okay. That I'm okay with. Is it clear? Is it colored? What are we? Ooh, okay. So it's clear, but like with a pink reflect in it. I don't know that the light's picking it up on camera, but trust me when I tell you it's in there. I'm trying to shift it slowly in case the light will catch it just right, but I think I have too many lights on in here for it to really... There we go! There we go! Did you see it? Did you see it? Ah, that's so cool! Okay. Alright, fine. So there's two things I'm excited about in here. The rest, I don't know. Oh, three things from Ofra. Highlighter X's and Glows, and it's got 4 different shades in there. And yes, some of them are for sure way too dark for me, but those can be used as eyeshadow. So it's all good. It's all good. Alright, fine. So there's 3 things here that are good. The rest, I don't know. I'm sure it's a very nice product, but I don't know that I can mentally get over it. This might get resold. I don't know. I don't know. I feel real damn iffy about these two. They might also go... I don't know. We'll see how I feel about it. I might change my mind, but everything else I'll at least give a shot. So, I mean, we've got 4 versus 3. Very slightly outweighed of stuff that I'm definitely using versus stuff that may or may not end up on eBay. So, anyway. That is it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more, it's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Get your name on the end card for a month from the time of donating. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.